Hello and welcome to Sloths Love to Read. This is KeriAnne. Today we're going to be discussing a very important holiday, and today is called Patriot Day, and these are the events that happen on September 11th. This is a very important story for children to know and a very important part of our history as the United States of America. I hope that you will enjoy and learn from this story as we commemorate this occasion that happened many years ago. Let's get started. Patriot Day, the September 11th events for children. Once upon a time, on a bright September morning, the world witnessed a series of events that changed history forever. It all happened on September 11th. In a big city called New York, people were going about their usual days. Birds were chirping, the sun was shining, but suddenly something terrible happened. Two huge towers called the Twin Towers were attacked by bad people who wanted to hurt others. At the same time, in another place called Washington, D.C., more bad people did something terrible. They tried to harm a special building called the Pentagon, where important people work to keep everyone safe. People all over the country were shocked and sad, but amidst the tragedy, something beautiful happened. Heroes emerged from everywhere to help those in need. Firefighters, police officers, and many others rushed to rescue people from the collapsing buildings. Brave men and women showed kindness and bravery in the face of danger. In another part of the country, a group of passengers on a plane realized they were in danger too. So they decided to fight back against the bad people. They showed incredible courage and stopped the bad people from harming even more people on the ground. As the days passed, people came together to support each other. They held hands, hugged, and cried together, showing that love and unity could heal even the deepest wounds. Although this day was filled with sadness and loss, it also taught the world an important lesson. It taught us to cherish each other, to be brave in the face of fear, and to be kind and compassionate to one another. The events of September 11th will always be remembered, not only as a day of tragedy, but also as a day of strength and unity. And as we grow older, we should never forget the heroes who risked their lives to help others and the importance of standing together as one big family. Thank you so much for listening to this very important story about the events of September 11th, also known as Patriot Day. I hope that you will learn about these events and commemorate all the things that happened those days and stand strong as an American. We all should be supporting each other and loving each other, our neighbors, family, and we can always find a hero within the midst of tragedies. I hope that you will learn from this story, and I hope you've enjoyed Patriot Day, the September 11th events for children, written by KeriAnne Jelinek. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye for now, everyone.